Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use mental health features in Health app on iPhone. Firstly, we are gonna start by opening Health app. Also make sure that your phone is updated to iOS 17 or later if you want to use those features on the phone. So on the bottom of the screen, make sure to tap Browse and then find Mental Well-being section. We are going to start with logging emotions and moods, so let's tap Get Started and tap Begin. After that, we can choose between emotion to be able to record how we feel right now, or we can choose mood to be able to save data about how we felt overall today. So let's pick mood and go next. Then you should see this range of options between very unpleasant and very pleasant. You can see how, depending on what I'm choosing, the color is changing as well. So just pick any option and tap to go next. After that, you will see this list of emotions from which you can choose. Also, you can choose multiple options. So simply pick the options which describes your feelings the best. Then go next. After that, you can choose what's having the biggest impact on you, like that, and add additional context if you want to, and then tap Done. Now it is locked, so you can also turn on reminders to don't forget to log your emotions, feelings, and moods. So you can tap to turn on reminders. Then you will see this type of data on the screen. You can also add momentary emotions and tap to show in charts. And here check state of mind by week, month, 6 months, and year. Also from states, you can switch to any different option in the list and check momentary emotions as well. Then, whenever you're ready throughout the day, you can pick this section, tab Log, and again log an emotion or mood. So this is an emotion. We can tap Next. Also log it here, choose what's having the biggest impact, like that, and tap Done. And now this setting is logged as well. Then you can read this info about state of mind, such as mental health questionnaires, about learning mental health, caring for your mental health, the difference between emotion and mood, common concerns. Then you can tap on Options and enable during your day and end of the day. Also, you can add reminder to be able to log your emotions at specific time, like that. Then you can tap on calendar icon and you will see those icons depending on your mood or emotion in the list of reminder in the list of calendar. Also, you can tap to show all data and check all of the logged data. So after that, you can go back and also check anxiety risk tab and complete this questionnaire, as well as depression risks, exercise minutes, mindful minutes, sleep, and time in daylight. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.